My name is Matt Walker, and I'm a father of 2 young kids, and I'm also the Community Outreach Director with Clean Air Council, a nonprofit environmental organization working to protect everyone's right to breathe clean air for 50 years. For years, Pennsylvania's shale gas industry and regulators have operated on a drill first, regulate later basis. This approach has meant that Pennsylvania residents who live near shale gas facilities are exposed to harmful air pollution that can damage the lungs, heart, and central nervous system, while downwind communities experience elevated smog levels, which increase asthma attacks and exacerbate other respiratory diseases. Today, we are here to push our government to make public health a priority, but we are also here to celebrate the important progress currently being made in Pennsylvania. After over 2 years of advocacy by Pennsylvania residents, the Department of Environmental Protection is finally moving forward with health protections to reduce air pollution leaks from new shale gas facilities. So, while there is a lot of work left to be done, we are collectively starting to make a difference. Thanks to you and so many across the state who have refused to be silent on this issue, we've made Governor Wolf finally realize he can no longer ignore the needs of Pennsylvania's shale field communities. This past December, DEP formally introduced the first part of its plan to reduce air pollution leaks from shale gas facilities. 2 new general permits, standardized permits for specific infrastructure that industry can receive if they adhere to certain conditions. One permit covers shale gas well pads and the other covers compressors, processing, and transmission equipment. These permits are a big improvement over the status quo. Well pads and associated operations are currently exempt from air permitting. DEP's proposal will change that, requiring future well sites to meet common sense criteria. These permits also address other previously uncovered sources, such as transmission compressor stations, which are used to transport gas through transmission pipelines, and pigging operations used to clean out pipelines. The permits will require smarter standards across the board for shale gas operations, including lower pollution limits on equipment and provisions that will allow companies to find and fix air pollution leaks like never before. So far, residents and advocates have submitted over 1,000 comments calling on DEP to advance the strongest possible permitting conditions for proposed shale gas facilities and go beyond the current proposal. These comments represent an initial wave of support, and we expect a substantial amount of additional comments to be submitted by the new June deadline. Unfortunately, the protections proposed by DEP and the general permits do not yet address the vast majority of the facilities that are already operating and polluting the air we breathe every day. These are facilities that have been putting residents' health at risk for years, giving our children unexplained rashes, sore throats, bloody noses, and exposing our families to hazardous carcinogens, increasing their risk of developing cancers and other illnesses. There is a growing body of evidence of peer-reviewed research that shows a correlation between living close to shale gas facilities and negative health outcomes. Every day that Governor Wolf does not move forward with safeguards that would limit air pollution from existing facilities is another day that Pennsylvania's shale field communities are forced to breathe unhealthy air. When Pennsylvania legislators side with the gas industry and fail to stand up for health protections, they are making a clear statement that they do not see the health and well-being of their constituents as a priority. Today, we call on Governor Wolf and the Pennsylvania legislature to prove that they represent the public's interests over the oil and gas industries, and that they value the health of all Pennsylvania families and communities. Thank you.